Hello everyone, Checkmate here, and today I will teach you how to edit your object in Blender. By default you are in object mode, that is right now. To edit your object you have to go in edit mode, and that is on the top left corner of the screen. When you click it, you can see a couple of options. You have to choose the second one. Clicking it, you are in edit mode now. Right now you are in vertex select edit mode, that is you can edit the vertex of an object. Let me show you. Let's click one of the vertex, and now you can move it by the same key that you learned last time, that is G. You can see I can move the vertex anywhere. If you want to move it in a particular direction, press the direction name after the G, that is X, Y and Z. Now you can also increase the size and rotation with S and R. This was vertex, and now we can going in edge edit mode, that is you can now edit the edges of the object. You can see how I can select the edge of the cube. You can move it like this by pressing G, and move it in a certain direction by pressing the Z, X or Y after the G, like this. You can also resize it by pressing S, and you can rotate it by pressing R, like this. This was edge mode. Now we will learn about the face edit mode, where you can edit the faces of the object like this. You can see I can select the face of the object. You can move it by G, resize it by S like this, and rotate it by R like this. And as always, to rotate, scale or move in a particular direction only, you can press the X, Y and Z keys after the command. Thank you for listening. We will learn more in the next video. Thank you.